This is how to change font in Neocities. From your dashboard, open your CSS file. Then edit your style. So I have a style.css here. So hover and just click edit. Then you can locate font family. So just Control F if you're using Windows. So find font. So we have here a font family called Poppins. So we'll change this to Tahoma. And you can also change the font size. Okay, for instance, we'll make it bigger, 16. And for line height, you can also change this one. And we'll use normal because it is the body font. And once you have edited your font, just click save. Then go back to dashboard and open your website. So this is how to change font in Neocities.